No. Box is pretty tough. I mean, we're gonna beat the shit out of it anyways, so a little pickle and paint maybe. Yeah.
Every year. Time for another one, but not a lot of time for it.
Is there like do these supposed to have like at the very bottom have a clutch brake?
A clutch brake. Yeah, it's had it, but it seems like you got to
just
put
wore it out or
the
something?
clutch right to the floor, and it's kind of worn out.
Yeah.
If it's really annoying, like if it's really giving you a hard time, I just hit reverse and hit first. It goes in. But I don't think I have much trouble with this truck doing that. Like this truck pretty much. $100 for the lesson.
Yeah.
It's like something like this here, I would just let off and coast it.
Yeah.
Fifth.
I don't know what gear I'm in. I think it's fifth.
You're in fifth. You kind of have to keep track of it. That happens all the time. You forget which gear you're in and that.
It's easy with the 6-speed, but you just should know tow the weight I need to tow. So.
Oh, you can tow back with this. Like it's not quick,
yeah,
right? But
well, we're not in a race, eh?
Yeah, it's just don't like forget the tight spot to when you're stopping to push the clutch, because the engine's got so much torque, it'll keep like
just drag you right through it.
The brakes, believe me, the brakes are strong. Like, I take air brake any day over anything hydraulic. You just put the middle of the yard.
Right on. How many kilometers do you get out of a tank, roughly?
It goes good. Like, it goes a long time. It's just you're always working it. Like, we don't go far.
Yeah.
You know, but it'll last a tank will last a long time, and you know. So I watched MTO stuff, and you came up, so I started watching some of your videos, and I actually found it really entertaining. So I watched that, and I hated the way you were kind of getting screwed too, like over that. So
I've seen some of these too.
What's that?
I've seen some of these.
You've seen some of those videos, yeah.
You're the reason I waste time.
Yeah,
so many. There's a guy from the States who's fucking just told me to fucking stuff my piece of shit because I didn't respond to him quick enough. He's from New York.
There's people sending e-transfer, like people send deposits, and then they send you $100 and then they don't show up.
Yeah.
Like it's like all the time like that. It's just like, oh my God.
There's so many time wasters. Do you need a D for this truck? Yeah, you fucks.
Yeah.
You want to cross 9 or?
Appreciate it. I don't know. I'm just going to punch her in the GPS there and stop at McDonald's on the way because I'm going to.
Go on the 407, go on the 401.
Yeah, no, for sure.
This way to McDonald's, right? You go around past the arena.
where we drove.
Yeah.
Around by the arena, and we turned around that street down there. The McDonald's is there. You don't have to go out to.
Yeah, we passed it coming in.
Yeah, because then you don't have to stop on the hill with that trick I told you.
Yeah,
you
right
just
on.
pull right there in the lights. So.
Right on.
That's amazing, man.
Oh well.
Okay. Safe travels.
Yeah, thank you very much. Oh, my stuff. Right on. Okay, have a good day.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Somebody who was 12 yesterday. Poor baby Casey, old as frig every time. Old as frig every time. Wanna help me go pickle the dump truck? Hey? Wanna help me pickle the dump truck? What about you? Huh? Tail wagging a little bit. What happened? What happened? Horton's trays. You come to help me pickle?
The battery.
No?
No.
Come on.
I know, I can't believe it.
Uh-oh, what happened? I may have bit off more than I could chew, boys. She said the fucking biscuit. A few holes in her.
Yeah, we get, could you patch it or
Oh,
you
yeah.
just decide?
Well, they just filled all the holes with poop, right? Big chunks of shit. Look at this over here.
We did.
Look at this one. It's got cardboard boxes and Hortons. There's Hortons trays in there. And like this big chunk of something. I don't know what that is, but we'll dig that out of there. But son of a bitch. Hey?
Hell with your bar doing that.
Gotta replace a couple, 3 guys. We'll just get some.
I think a guy could patch her up and make use of her.
Yeah, I mean, a couple of those I'm just gonna cut right off and replace the whole thing, right? But
That's true. That, like the truck looks good.
yeah, it's not too bad. A little bit punky, but I mean, I'm just gonna beat the living shit out of it anyway. I don't want to get anything too good, and then next thing you know, I'm fucking all upset when I wreck it. You know what I mean?
No.
But I'd like to get, because these are just regular old transport truck rims, right? 12R 22.5s.
Yeah, you know
So I want to
more
get
about that than I do.
like some, aluminum transport truck wheels from the wrecker or something. But these tires are well on their way out, I think.
Well, that should be quite the truck there.
Fuck yeah, that's awesome. Right on, man. Have a good one.
Yeah. Thanks for the battery.
No worries. Fuck yeah. I've had earplugs and headphones in. I don't even know how loud this even is. Hopefully it's just loud as though, because I'd really like this to just aggravate the living shit out of as many people as possible. Great. The dogs have no shit on the floor. You gotta go out? Did you already go poop? You gotta go outside? You see the truck?
You want it?
No, this one.
You want let it go?
No, this one.
Yeah.
My dump truck.
Yeah.
Natty natty.
Let it know.
Hey? Natty natty.
I not one for you. 5,000 for you. You. They want new one. They want everything machine. New one. 5,000.
Where?
He hire 130, 108 lighting, 180, 25 pounds. 21 tons.
Yeah, that's not a dump truck, buddy. I have no use for a 100-foot, 25-ton crane. What's all this?
Yeah, 2 times.
You used it 2 times?
Sorry, 2 times. You see the there? You see it? No. No more. No. You can't.
Let's start. Let's start.
Okay.
go, Mary. Oh, we did it.
Oh my God.
Okay. Holy, eh?
Wait a bit.
Yeah. You do good work. Holy shit. Ah. Yeah, man. It's only like 80, 90,000 rims, no big deal. Can I get you to give me a hand pulling this rototiller out of the trailer? Thank you. That's my new one. Yeah.